Okay, the story is gone. We're no longer working out Walmart. We're not unloading any boxes today. Okay, let's just do a straight problem. 1,452 divided by 4. Okay, what's that 4 called again? Divisor. Good job. Okay, this is your total amount. Your dividend is your total amount. What you're dividing it by is your divisor. Okay, so whether you put in any groups or the number of groups is what your divisor is. Okay, excellent. So let's do it the way that you guys kind of did yesterday. So you first started with estimating. How many 4s went into 14 again?
3.
Okay, let's think about that. What would we want to break that into then? Do we want to just do 3? Or do we want to say, like, let's say, well, we can start with, we know that 4 goes into 14 approximately 3, but it's not 3, it's 3, what?
300.
So let's start with 300. 300 times 4 gives me what?
400.
300 times 4 gives me...
It's 3 times 4.
12.
You know what? I like that you guys just said that you did 1,200. Don't forget the other way to say it is 1,200. Okay, because you either have 12 hundredths or you have 1,200 hundredths and then the rest. Okay, excellent. All right, so we've taken care of 1,200. We're too low though. We need to keep going. We only have taken care of 1,200 of the 1,452. So we need more. So what else are we going to multiply by? Well, we started with 300. Is there something else?
63.
Can we go another 100? Can I go 100 times 4? Can I go 100 times 4? No? Because that would be what?
400.
400 and 400 plus 1,200 is how much?
1,200.
Think again.
1,600.
It would be 1,600, which is way over where we want to go, right? Okay. Where did you go yesterday with this? Like, how did you terminology use?
We were subtracting. I subtracted the 300 from 1452.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have 252 left. So where do we want to go? How many 4s can go into 25? How many 4s can go into, yeah, because even though I don't have to have a thousands place here to estimate my division.
6.
So how many 4s can go into 25?
6.
Okay? And is it 6 or are we going to use 60?
60.
Okay? And I jumped that step. So you guys actually should have probably told me that one. Okay? What is 60 times 4?
2,400. 240. 240.
Or, how do we say it in place value?
240.
Okay, so I'm going to take that 240. I have 12 left. So this group, I haven't heard much from this group. I have 12 left, so what am I going to multiply by?
Yeah, Jimmy. 4.
I'm going to multiply the 12. I have 12 left over. How many groups of 12 can I have here? What times 4 is going to give me close to 12? Good job. Do I have any leftovers?
No.
Okay, so here we are. Here's my partial products here that I've done, right?
363.
Same answer.
I like
Why?
that bit.
That's what we did yesterday. You're just seeing it a different way now.
So I took it from your place value where we actually manipulated the numbers, okay, to something like this where, which one was a little bit less work? This one, right? So this one's a little bit more efficient than the place value chart that we just did. But the place value chart shows you conceptually or visually that you can actually break apart those places, right, in order to see how many actually go. Like in that problem would be how many boxes we had, okay? Here, we took out the context, so we have no story here. We have a straight division problem, but it is a 4-digit problem in your dividend, your total, okay? And we used our partial part, we used multiplication. That's our relationship between division, our multiplication and division, to actually work out to find that 363. I guess I should finish the problem. So 1,452 divided by 4 is 363. Now how can I check that? I'm just not sure. So I'm going to check again. How can I check that? Like this way?
No.
I could do it down, I could do it that way, either way, right? Yeah, here you can use what? Box method, which is partial products, right? Or you could just do straight because you know it, right? Alright, do it in your book, or on, you know what, you guys still have your dry erase boards, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do that and dry erase boards.